Okay, I'm going to go through the timing. So 2, 3, 4 and 1. Body roll 2, 3, shimmy 4 and 1. Box step 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Lock step 2 and 3. Kipple change 4 and 1. Step 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Backward place 2 and 3. Point the foot 4, 1. Step rondo 2, 3, 4 and 1. Now weight 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1 we flick. 2, 3, 4, 1 body roll. Step back 2, 3, 4, 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1.
This is about take 10 now, because I can't remember simple instructions, God help me. Okay, so you've got a step rondo on the right foot, we're going to be turning 90 degrees to our right on the ending. 2, 3, 4 and 1. You've then got the first 2 beats of some form of roll. 2, 3, and then either a shimmy or the leader's variant for 4, 1, where we're just going to do some tap replaces. 4 and 1. We then got a box step of 2 lots of that. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Then lock steps 2 and 3, 2 and 3, and a kickball change 4 and a 1. Then going to mark time 2, 3, cha cha cha, 2, 3, cha cha cha. Syncopated now 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Then we've got a syncopated back replace 2 and a 3. Then bring your right foot forward 4, 1. Then going to rise onto that for the rondo 2, 3, 4 and 1. Now syncopated, almost drunken sailor style steps 2 and a 3 and a 4 and flick. We then got a whole bar to settle this down, a whole bar for a line 2, 3, 4, 1, and then just some tap steps 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. I made it to the end. It took like a million goes. Help me. Let me out so I can dance again. Actually, no, that's a terrible idea. Stay safe.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, don't say it 'cause I know I'm cute. Oh, baby. Louis down to my drawers, LV all on my shoes. Oh, baby. I be dripping so much sauce, got a bit looking like Grey Goose. Oh, baby. Lit up like a crystal ball, that's cool, baby, so is you, that's how I roll. If I'm shining, everybody gonna shine. Yeah, I'm gold. I was born like this, don't even gotta try. Now you know. I like shot a nigga better over time. Now you know. They just say I'm not the baddest bitch, you lie.